Hello dear friends. Today we are going to take a look into the Rakvere castle. Uh, it is built in 13th century and it is one of the best preserved medieval castles in Estonia. An absolute scenery for any medieval movie, I would say. During the summer months there are also activities like handicraft and alchemy workshops, and of course torture chamber, a rather dark and cool place with smells and fire and unanswered prayers. So I would say it's a fully functional castle in a sense. Starting with this information, let's climb to the tower and have a look around. No wonder the castle has had several owners through the ages. The location is just perfect. Denmark, Pope himself, Order of the Brothers of Swords, Teutonic Order, Livonian Order, Russia, Poland. Oh, hell of a list. If you notice, the stairs to the walls are spiraling up and quite narrow. So, unfortunately, the upper walls are not accessible by wheelchair. But most of the attractions and workshops are on the ground floor anyway. Even yeah, the enemies were visible from quite far from here. Which brings us to the torture chamber and the medieval vision of hell. But this is the way Christian world gathered information with torturing. For example, I got to know that a man can be stretched up to 10 centimeters before the bones start to crack, if it might be useful for you. Yeah. The castle has a nice cafe and restaurant with simple medieval dishes. We had a chance to enjoy it with our young guides who can teach you shooting arrows or how to mix your gunpowder. How, you would like to know. So, first of all, you would need to collect your pee or urine and let it dry. So, while you dry it, let's move on to the chapter house, for example. You can also take a picture with the most cute donkey around and maybe peek into the gate protection tower. The tower has also quite a rustic toilet that you can try out. Not literally, of course. I bet it is pretty cool in wintertime. No, these are cannonballs. The city is protected. Even without dinner and attractions, it is easy to spend here more than an hour. You may also check the world map by the gates if there is already a nail hit there marking visitors from your country. By the way, before the castle main gate to the right, there is a castle shop with all kinds of medieval stuff. I almost bought myself a bag-shaped cup for liquor, but then again, I was by car. And of course, just out of the castle on the hill, there's a statue of an ox, the symbol of Rakvere. Just don't get hit. It's an easy walk, so just say hi to it. Hope you enjoyed the video. For more, just like it or subscribe and stay safe. Cheerio!